Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Shiana. So for today's video, I am doing a get ready with me with all of the new Makeup Revolution PR products that they sent to me. So if you're interested in how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with the Revolution Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Hydrating dropping oils. And then I'm going to try the Hydra Boost Lightweight Gel Cream. So this is a face moisturizer to prep my skin. I have not tried any of these yet, so I'm super excited to see how it works. I'm not trying to put a lot on because I don't want it to be too heavy. It's kind of sticky too, so it's really a good thing, like when you want your makeup and your primer to stick really well. Alright, so now I'm going in with the Hydra Boost. I don't even think I showed you this, but... And then here is the moisturizer. This is also vegan, cruelty-free, and fragrance-free. Alright, now to prime, I'm using the Revolution Pro Hydra Matte Primer. I have to be at work in like less than 30 minutes, so we're gonna do a quick tutorial. I'm also gonna prime underneath my eyes with my Becca anti-fatigue under eye primer. Looks like this. This stuff works miracles. Here lately, I don't know why, but my under eyes have been creasing like super bad when I wear my eyeshadow right here. So I was like, let me just put a little bit more to help with my under eyes. Like, just look at the difference. This has caffeine and green tea in it, so it's gonna instantly like brighten and open up your eyes well. I'm gonna do a natural brow with the ColourPop Brow Boss in Soft Black. I'm not going for a crazy filled-in brow today. I like to set my brows last, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of my face. For foundation today, I'm using the Morphe Full Coverage Foundation. For concealer, I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Beige. It's number 11 also, so. I really wanted to do this video because I've tried out some of the stuff already, not all of it though, from Revolution, and let's just say I'm pretty pleased with the payoff. Not only that, but the quality, because me being a black girl, it is sometimes hard for some brands to cater to our needs, and so far I haven't really been displeased with any of the stuff that I've used. You know, eyeshadow wise, because, you know, I like pigment, and then like some of their face stuff too as well. All right, so now I'm gonna go in and set my face because I don't like to do a cream contour too often, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my setting powder. For setting powder today, I'm using the Laura Mercier in Translucent. I like to put a little extra underneath my eye before I do eyeshadow, just to collect any fallout if it does. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose, and then I'm gonna do my eyes. To get me a nice like soft contour, I've been using like this flat concealer eyeshadow sort of brush, and this LA Colors bronzer. It's like a more of a cool tone bronzer. It's the shade Beachy. So as you know, they sent me a lot of palettes, so this is gonna be hard for me to choose. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the new Neutral Luxe Shadow Palette from Revolution Pro, and this is what it looks like on the inside. This base right here is cream. Wow, that's crazy. I'm gonna take Whisper first, right here. I'm gonna use it as my transition shade. Sometimes I don't feel like putting eyeshadow primer on. Some days I do. Today was not one of those days, so yeah. And we're here. Look, I just want to start off by saying that this eyeshadow is blending like a dream, even though my concealer was trash. And I'm kind of just bringing it from the outer corner up into like halfway of my crease, a little more than halfway. Now on top of that, I'm gonna go over it with Delight to kind of soften it up a little bit more on the outer edge. Next, I'm going in with Rumor, and I'm gonna do like a V. On the outer crease of my eye. Now I'm gonna take Rumor and I'm gonna bring it down into my waterline and smoke it out. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I did want to use the glitter, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna use it, so I'm gonna pass because we ain't got time to be just guessing. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia eyeshadow primer. Alright, now I'm gonna go over my eyes with Delight. Just pack that on my lid. Also, this eyeshadow palette has really good color payoff too. I was very shocked by how pigmented it is. Just gonna blend that edge out. I'm blending the edge out with Rumor, FYI, if you didn't know. Alright, I'm gonna line my eyes a little and then we're gonna put lashes on and move on to highlight and contour. Oh, for liner, I use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm gonna take this Laura Mercier eye color stick in Smoke and put it in my waterline. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set my brows with the 24-hour brow setter. This is like one of my favorite clear gels. I'm gonna dust this away. Alright, now to contour, I'm using I Heart Revolution Praline palette. So it looks like this. And this is the inside. I'm gonna use these two to highlight and this one to contour. Alright, I'm using my MAC Cork Lip Liner and I'm just gonna top it with a gloss. And I'm using the LA Girl glass topper. Well, gloss topper, not glass topper. I don't know why I said that. This is like the only gloss that I found that's not sticky at all. And it doesn't leave like that nasty white ring around your lips either. Alright, so this is the finished look, guys. So I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and comment down below what you think of this look. Also, don't forget to share with your friends, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.